Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. How are you today? Yes, I'm fine. Did you have a good day? Okay, class. Are you ready to learn now? Okay, before we start our lesson today, so that we will better pray together, come on, pray. Done. Before we begin our study, I will checking attendance first. So, who is absent today? Nothing? Okay, great. Do you remember what we learned in the previous meeting? Okay, Caca? Yes, it is true. At the previous meeting, we will learn about the simple present tense. Is there anyone can give me an example of this simple present tense? Okay, Rina. Yeah, good. Give applause to Rina. So, in the previous meeting, we will learn about the simple present tense. Example of present tense sentence like I take the motorcycle to the office. Okay, class. First, before we get into the learning material, I will ask you. So, for example, when you meet someone in one place, what do you do when you meet the person? Yes, good answer. Could you give me a few examples of greeting when meeting someone? Okay, give applause to your friend. So guys, can you judge what topic we will discuss today? Yes, so today we will learn greeting and leave taking. Okay, back to our material today. In greeting and leave taking, there are formal and informal. Okay, class, we will learn about greeting first. Greeting are divided into namely formal and informal greeting. Formal greeting are usually used in formal or unfamiliar formal situation, while informal greeting is used in casual situation, usually familiar with the other person and not officially. Okay, the next is sentence in the formal greeting, namely good morning, good day, good afternoon, good evening. And in the sentence good morning has a response that is good morning too. In the sentence good day has a response that is good day. In the sentence good afternoon has a response that is good afternoon too. In the sentence good evening has a response that is good evening too. Then the informal greeting sentence, namely hi, how are you? Hello, how do you do? How is everything? In the sentence hi has a response that is hi. In the sentence hello has a response that is hello. In the sentence how are you has a response that is I'm fine. The last is in the sentence how is everything with you has a response that is pretty well, thanks. Okay, next we will learn about leave taking. Similar to greeting, leave taking also consists of formal and informal. Formal leave taking are usually used in formal or unfamiliar formal situation, while informal leave taking is used in casual situation, usually familiar with the other person and not officially. Sentence for formal leave taking, namely good night, it's nice to see you, nice to meet you, and goodbye. In the sentence good night has a good night response too. In the sentence it's nice to see you have a response is nice to see you too. In the sentence nice to meet you have a response nice to meet you too. And the last is in the sentence goodbye has a response that is goodbye. And the next is informal sentence leave taking, namely bye bye, see you later, see you tomorrow, good luck, and take care. In bye bye, the response is bye bye. In the sentence see you later, the response is that is see you. In see you tomorrow, the response is see you tomorrow. In the sentence good luck, the response is thanks. And the last is in the sentence take care of yourself, the response is to. And the next, now I will give two examples of dialogue on greeting and leave taking. The first dialogue is conversation between teacher and students. Teacher said, "Good morning, students." Students said, "Good morning, sir." Teacher said, "How are you today?" Students said, "We are fine, and you?" Teacher said, "Fine too." And the second example of dialogue, namely the conversation between Lala and Ocha. Lala said, "Hi Ocha." Ocha said, "Hello Lala." Lala said, "How are you doing?" Ocha said, "Pretty well. By the way, where are you going, La?" Lala said, "I'm going to Bandar swimming pool. Will you join me?" Ocha said, "Oh, sorry, I must help my mom in the market." Lala said, "It's okay, Ocha. See you next time, Ocha." Ocha said, "See you, Lala. Have a nice day." From the topic we have discussed, it can be concluded that we can use formal or informal sentence according to our situation to say greeting and leave-taking sentence. Okay, now I'm going to give you some question about our material. The first question is for Ayu. If you meet someone in a situation when you meet the teacher at school, what sentence did you say to greet the teacher? Yeah, good answer. And the second question is for Ai. Okay, Ai, if you were going to part with your friend, what sentence would you give? Yeah, good answer. And the last, I want one of you to raise your hand to answer my question. Okay, Fadila, do you know how to introduce yourself formally and informally? Yeah, very fantastic. Okay, I think that's all for our discussion today about greeting and leave-taking. Maybe for the next meeting we will discuss more interesting topic than today. Before we close today's class, are there any questions? Or you want to ask about our topic today? Or you can also ask outside our discussion today? Nothing? Oh, alright. Does our material today feel very boring? Not. So our meeting today is very interesting. Okay, thanks for all of you so enthusiastic about meeting us today. And for next week, we will learn about the procedure text. So I hope you learn this material first before our class start. Let's close our meeting today. May be useful for all of us. And goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.